Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Home EV Charging Voice Control, beginner guide step by step clearly. Check that your EV charger is compatible with Google Home. Make sure your smart charger is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner to add a device. Select Set Up Device from the menu. Choose Have Something Already Set Up? Scroll through the list to find your EV charging service provider. Tap on the service provider's name. You will be prompted to sign in to your provider account. Enter your account credentials and authorize the necessary permissions. Return to the Google Home app once your account is linked. Now, go back to the main screen of the app. Tap on Devices at the top right corner. Find your EV charger in the list of connected devices. Select your charger to access its settings. You can now customize voice commands for controlling your charger. To test it out, say, "Hey Google, start charging my EV." Your charger should respond to your voice command. Explore additional features if available within your EV charger settings. This will enhance your overall smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.